Yeah, son of a bitch. Yeah. Yeah. You won't believe this. This truck's a piece of shit. I got the hood up. There's oil, but I'm just gonna laugh about it. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Who's that cocksucker over there with the camera? I enjoy having a little fun at the expense of people. Anyway, they started on Pod C here, where the gym's located, family living, cooking, sewing, wood shop, the pool. That's this pod here. This guy's still bitching over here. So yeah, they're working on Pod C now. Pod A finally down now. Yeah, I'm tired of this shit. Can't believe it. Look at this cocksucker coming over. Hey guys, what's going on over here? Who's the idiot with the camera taping us?